We don't know what's in this safe. Once this thing stops, we'll open her up and see what we got. Hopefully it's something good. Hey folks, I'm Jeff Snope. I'm the safe and vault technician for Northwest Safe Company. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the auto dialer. In a nutshell, it's a motor that we hook up to the front of the dial. It checks a bunch of possible combinations that the lock could be set to and runs through them. What we have here is what I think is probably a TL15 Allied Gary safe. It's an ER7234. Came out of a jewelry store. So a jewelry business closed down and another jewelry business was moving into that space, and the old jewelry business left the safe there locked up, didn't provide the combination. New jewelry business had their safe brought in, so we took this out of there and now we need to get it open. All right, so we got the auto dialer running. We don't know what's in the safe. Let's have everybody guess, how long is this gonna take? And while we're at it, what's the combo gonna be? It's a 3-number combo, so 12, 24, 36 is kind of an example. So we'll open her up once we get all finished up and we'll see what we got.